Hello friends, welcome to my channel Flavors Tube. Today we'll make fresh coconut barfi. This is a very popular Indian sweet. It's made of fresh coconuts, so it is soft and juicy and it tastes so delicious. It's a very easy and quick recipe, so let's start making it. Take fresh coconut. Remove the brown peel of the coconut. Now cut into small pieces. See, I have already done this. Now let's coarsely grind the coconuts. It should be like this. Let's remove it in a bowl. Take a pan on low to medium heat. Add 1 cup of coarsely ground coconut. Now we'll roast it for 5 to 6 minutes. We do so to remove the raw taste and extra moisture from the coconuts. Make sure you keep sauteing the coconut as we don't want to burn it. The coconut is lightly roasted. Now add half cup sugar, 1/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon ghee, that is clarified butter. Mix it well and cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the sugar has melted. At this point, if you want, you can add green cardamom. I like the coconut flavor, so I'm skipping it. We'll cook it for another 6 to 7 minutes until the mixture is dry and starts coming together. This looks good, so I'll remove it in a bowl. Here I have taken a plate and I'll grease it well with half teaspoon ghee or clarified butter. Now let's pour the coconut mixture and set it. Make sure you level the top and edges well. Now let's garnish it. Here I am using silvered pistachios. You can use any dry fruit of your choice. Now we'll let it set for 1 hour. You can also put this in fridge for 15 to 20 minutes to set it quickly. It has set now. Let's cut this into squares. Our coconut barfi has come out so perfect. Now let's plate it. These soft, juicy, melt-in-mouth fresh coconut barfis are ready to be relished. Enjoy!